Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features an unboxing of the CUAV NEO 4 SE GPS module. The NEO 4 SE is a high-performance standalone positioning module designed for unmanned systems. It integrates a 10th generation u-blox high-precision GNSS receiver, a powerful STM32H5 processor, electronic compass, safety switch and RGB full-color status LED, and supports the DroneCAN communication protocol, making it fully compatible with ArduPilot and PX4 flight control firmware. Product highlights: precise positioning with dual filter design. The NEO 4 SE integrates a TCXO crystal oscillator and dual LNA architecture, combined with an active receiving antenna featuring an RF filtering system. This setup provides outstanding signal sensitivity and fast acquisition time, significantly enhancing positioning accuracy and stability. High-performance STM32H5 processor with custom M4C architecture software. Equipped with the latest STM32H5 ARM Cortex-M33 CPU running at up to 250 MHz, the NEO 4 SE delivers strong computational performance. It runs CUAV's self-developed M4C software architecture, enabling highly efficient customization and system upgrades. Strong anti-interference capability with built-in STIS-2 MDC compass. The module features the new generation STIS-2 MDC electronic compass, supporting a magnetic field dynamic range of plus or minus 50 Gauss and temperature drift compensation. It provides excellent anti-magnetic interference performance among similar products. Integrated RGB status light and unlock switch. The module includes an 8-channel bus-controlled RGB light system, offering rich multi-layered status displays. It also has a multi-frequency buzzer that works in sync with smart scene recognition to provide visual and audible feedback for controller lock status, power alerts, positioning status, and system faults. DroneCAN protocol support and broad platform compatibility. The NEO 4 SE adopts the DroneCAN communication protocol and is fully compatible with both ArduPilot and PX4 open-source flight control platforms. This ensures wide adaptability, excellent scalability, and flexibility for various use cases. Product specifications. Dimensions: 60 mm, 60 mm, 16.1 mm. Weight 31 g. Operating voltage 4.7 V, 5.2 V. Operating temperature -10 degrees Celsius plus 80 degrees Celsius. Package contents: CUAV NEO 4 SE GPS Module 1. CAN interface cable 1. GNSS mount 1. Sticker 1. Mounting screws 2. That's everything inside the box. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for watching and supporting the World Drone Market channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll continue bringing you more drone product reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.